Summer is finally upon us. My bike has a brand new MOT and I recently went up to North Wales. I needed no other excuse to get out and enjoy the day. With Llanbike Fest just around the corner in Llangollen as well, I decided to show off a great road, one of my personal favourites in North Wales, the A5, but specifically the point between betws-y-coed and Pentrefforest. If you've never seen it before, I give you a twisty road, a street triple R and a GoPro. Enjoy. I don't claim to be the best rider out there, but I do claim to have a lot of fun doing it. That is one of my favourite roads. If you can get it uninterrupted, even better. And if you can get it on a nice day, then that is preferable, because it can be somewhat challenging if the weather is less than ideal. If you'd like to check out some details about Llanbike Fest, held in Llangollen each and every year, then there will be a link in the description, of course. Say hello to them from me. If you'd like to check out my Best Roads in Wales series, because we have some crackers, then again, the link will be in the description. And if you'd like to see anything else or a review on the Evo SS/Zayan gimbal thing, the Chinese version of it, then let me know. Say so in the comments and I will do a comprehensive review of this lovely bit of apparatus. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon, hopefully.
I